Hi everyone! Today we're making salt dough for St. Patrick's Day, shaped like a rainbow. Shamrocks. Two types of shamrocks. They both look a little different in the rainbow. So first, we need to pour in 4 cups of flour. So the materials you don't need much. If you want colorful, you need food coloring, flour, 4 cups of it, water, 2 cups, but Mama put in 1 cup so she didn't have to refill it, and salt, 2 cups of salt. So we should start boiling. So first we should put in the flour first. So we dump it in like so.
And now it's time to put the salt in.
And then we put the salt in. Look at it. We got a video of slow motion. Mama putting the salt in this cup. Now we need 2 cups of water. So I'll put the first cup of water.
And I'll pour the second cup.
Yep. Okay. Mom's filling up the second cup. Okay, we'll put it in.
And now you don't have to use a spoon.
And
now,
then we're gonna mix.
With our hands.
Yes, with our hands.
It's cold, Mom. It's cold.
It's hot. It's sticky too. Looks
This
like
is how you
popcorn.
feel.
Popcorn. It feels like a little like. It looks like popcorn. Ugh.
So goggy.
Ugh. We definitely have to wash our hands after this.
Ew. Gotta get messy, Sally.
Ugh, Mommy.
Hi everyone. And we're back, and we made the salt dough a few minutes later, and look. See, this is light green, this is dark green. Mine mixed up with the gloves around the last video.
Now I'm gonna show you the cookie cutters. So this is a shamrock with the bones. This is a different shamrock. Do you see the difference?
I'll listen in the comments below.
And then there's this rainbow, which we're gonna put this green inside the shamrocks.
What are you doing with the rainbow?
With the rainbow, we are going to make cutters of it with white, and then we're going to bake the rainbow. Well, not the cutter. And then we are going to paint it ourselves. And guys, don't eat this.
It's not edible.
Yes. Lily's right. It's not edible. So we have to cut it out with cutters.